Welcome to Tribe Topper. So here we have first question from topic A. Two cyclists X and Y are separated by a distance of 68 kilometers, and X starts cycling with a speed of 8 towards right and Y starts cycling with a speed of 12 towards left, but 1 hour later than Y. So what is the displacement of Y when X and Y meet? So first of all, in 1 hour, the X has already covered a distance of speed into time. That's 8 times 1. It has already covered 8 kilometers. So now at this point, the Y also starts moving to the left. So we say let after t seconds they both meet. So how much is the distance traveled? Total distance traveled would be the speed of the first one, 8 times the time, that is t hours, plus, sorry, it has to be in hours, and the other one is y travels at a speed of 12 into t hours. So we have a total distance of 20t, and that is equal to how much? 60 kilometers, because out of 68, 8 had already been covered when y started. So now t is equal to 60 upon 20, that's 3 hours. So in 3 hours, what would be the displacement of s? So the displacement, sorry, not of s, the displacement of y when they meet is going to be its velocity 12 times the time, that is 3, but with the negative sign because it's to the left. So negative 36 kilometers is going to be the displacement of y when they meet, and that's the correct answer. That's D. Thank you.